Welcome back to the Buying $1 of Bitcoin Everyday series. Today is day number 1900 in a row. Current Bitcoin price, about 63,500. The big news is the Bitcoin halving happening in about 1 day, tomorrow sometime actually. So I'm actually recording today, posting this video tomorrow. So about 8 hours after this video is uploaded, the halving will occur. If you don't know what that is, I have another video on my channel that explains it. But basically Bitcoin becomes more scarce and harder to mine. All of the metrics that I look at are looking fine. We're having a little bit of a pullback here, which is pretty normal for Bitcoin before halving. You know, we see it here and here and here. We saw it here. Pretty much after a halving, we always see this crazy price movement. And I'm expecting the same thing to happen, the same pattern to continue. I mean, some people think Bitcoin's going to 250K, a million. I don't know about all that. I'm looking at over 100K would be nice. Maybe like 120. I would be pretty satisfied with that, but doesn't matter. For this experiment, we're just dollar cost averaging and seeing how that plays out. So let me go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. I just transferred to my wallet. You can actually see this transfer happened 3 hours ago. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, tap confirm. Just like that, purchased $1 of Bitcoin on the Strike app. Definitely the easiest, smoothest way to do it. If you want to learn more about this, check out the other videos on my channel. There's a bunch of them for how to use Strike app. And then once I get a bunch of Bitcoin in here, I just transfer it to my main wallet here. Let's go ahead and give this a refresh. And let's run some math here. So I've got my calculator. So we have $7,747 here plus the $1 I just bought. So that's 7748 divided by 1900 days equals a 4.07x on my investment for just dollar cost averaging every day. You can't beat that. Love to see it. Let's do the dollars gained. 7748 minus 1900 equals $5,848 gained. So it's going well. Can't deny that. Going to continue on with this experiment until the end of time. No reason to not be stacking Bitcoin. So I have a little bit over 0.122 now just from this experiment buying $1 per day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.